In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Word, numbering lines can be a lifesaver for editing, referencing, or collaborating on a document. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Microsoft's official website. Specifically, you'll want to navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online page. This is where you can access Word alongside other Office suite favorites like Excel and PowerPoint without any cost. A perfect solution for those who don't have the software installed on their computers. Once you're on the website, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. Click on it and sign in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, there's usually an option to create one right there, and it's a fairly straightforward process. After signing in, you'll land on the Microsoft 365 homepage. From here, you'll see a selection of applications available to you. Locate Word and click on it. This will open a new tab or window where you can start a new document or access existing ones stored on OneDrive. Now that you're in Word, it's time to get to the meat of our tutorial, line numbering. Open the document that you want to work on. This could be a fresh new file or one you've been editing. Once your document is open, take a look at the top of the screen. Here you'll see several tabs including Home, Insert and Layout. Click on the Layout tab. This is where we can access all sorts of options for organizing our document, including margins, orientation and more. Under the Layout tab, seek out the Line Numbers option. Clicking on this will offer a drop-down menu with a variety of choices. Choose the option mentioned, line numbering options, to open a dialog box. Here you can customize your line numbering settings. You might want to number every line, number per page, or choose custom settings depending on your project's requirements. Ensure you click OK to apply the changes once you've made your selection. And that's it. You've successfully added line numbers to your Microsoft Word document. Remember, this feature can make your document much easier to navigate, especially in lengthy works or collaborative projects. With these steps complete, you should find working with documents in Microsoft Word a bit smoother. Don't forget, if you're ever unsure of a step, revisit this guide or explore the help section in Word for additional support. Thanks for watching and happy editing.